There we have it sa ating first game in the quarterfinals against VM Ballers and MNS Sports. Here we have our best player, sir. Introduce mo naman yung sarili mo.
Mark Abalon po.
Yon, Mark Abalon, our best player of the game. Ano yung execution, ano yung preparation na ginawa nyo para manalo this ball game?
So wala kami masyadong training pero naglalaro kami limahan para ma-enhance yung chemistry namin. Tapos ayun, sunod lang sa game plan ni coach which is defense po. Yun lang.
Congratulations, see you next week sa semifinals. Best player of the game.